Silpa,
Yes, sir.
now look at the whiteboard.
Okay, sir.
It is visible. Silpa,
Yes, sir.
whiteboard दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now look at it. This is the topic. The topic which we are going to study today is the same, which stands for scanning microscope. Is known as electron microscopy. This electron microscope was first invented by Harry Manfred von Arden. Manfred von Arden in 1937. This scanning electron microscope was invented by Manfred von Arden in 1937. How will you define the electron? How will you define the term scanning electron microscope? Such electron microscope which produces image of a sample by scanning surface of the object or sample with a focused scan of the electrons. So this is the such electron microscope which produces the image of the sample by scanning the surface of the sample. A focused scan of the electron is called a scanning electron microscope. And the schematic diagram of this scanning electron microscope is there. And now just I am going to describe the scheme of this scanning electron microscope. Look here. This is this part shows the source of the electron. I have written here the electron source. This arrow shows the source of the electron from where the electron is provided. These two structures represent the anodes which are used in the electron microscope. This circle drawn here shows the condenser used in the electron microscope, electron microscope. And these two structures are the representative of the scan coil. These two structures here present, this one and this one shows the scan coil. And again this structure which is the second shows the objective. And this is the sample. This is the part where the sample is placed. So this shows the sample, and this structure shows the secondary electron detector. This is the structure which detects the secondary electrons emitted, and this is scheme. This is the scheme of the scanning electron microscope. And again, I am going to try it. I am going to make you how this scanning electron microscope works and what are the scheme of this scanning electron microscope. This diagram represents the scheme of the scanning electron microscope. In this is the part. This is the structure which shows the source of electron. Yani, this is the part from where the electron source is provided. And these two structures show the anode. Anodes are used in the scanning electron microscope. And these are this is the structure which represents the condenser. And just beside condenser, the scan coil is also fitted. And this is the objective. And now this is the sample where this is the structure part where the sample is placed for the viewing. And this represent, this is the this line shows the emission of secondary electrons, and this is the structure, and this is the structure which detects the secondary electron. Therefore, this is called secondary electron detector. So this is the scheme on which this is the scheme of the scanning electron microscope. And this scanning electron microscope was invented in 1937. Manfred von Ardeni, and this is the definition. How will you define the term scanning electron microscope? Scanning electron microscope is a type of electron microscope which produces the image of the sample by scanning the surface of the sample with a focused scan of the electron, and you will be, and one of the very important character or feature